Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through the P245A exhaust gas recirculation cooler bypass. If you're getting this fault code, this is a Kia 2-litre diesel, and if you've got the engine light on like this, you're most likely going to get into a lit mode. There's going to be a loss of power, no power whatsoever. Reality is, it's the EGR, probably heavily clogged, typical diesel. There's a few ways around it. Take the EGR off, the current one you have on this diesel engine, clean it, put it back. But if you take my advice, the faffing around and getting to it is a bit of a headache, so you might as well just buy another new one, OEM new one, put it in. The other alternative you can do is remap, which I have seen. I don't recommend it, but you can do it. It may not be lawful, but it is what it is for some of you. You can remap it, maybe 150 quid, around this figure, and this will eliminate the fault code and the loss of power. But this is not 100% guaranteed, but that's what a lot of people do. Or, like we said, get an OEM and just change it and see what happens. But you'll have to do a full scan and clear to eliminate the engine warning light, because it will be registered within the ECU there. That's all.